guns have set the whole town ablaze. Go!
I'll have to shoot.
Go ahead, Marshal. You could hit the broadside of a barn. Ow!
Up here! Get on your back!
I ain't got no pants no more. That ain't long. Don't call me good for nothing. Don't worry. They don't fight.
Hurry! The bombers are gonna blow up the bridge!
Right over here.